Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a student trying to make your money stretch, you've clicked on the right video. College life is amazing, but let's be real. It can be a huge drain on the wallet. Today I'm sharing 10 super smart ways you can save money as a student in 2025 without having to live on instant noodles every single night. Let's get started. First up, master the art of the student discount. Your student ID is basically a magic wand for savings. Before you buy anything, clothes, tech, even a coffee, always ask if they have a student discount. There are also amazing apps and websites that consolidate all these deals for you, so you never miss out. It might seem like small savings at first, but trust me, it adds up to a ton over the year. Number 2, become a second-hand superstar. Textbooks can cost a fortune, right? Instead of buying new, check out your campus bookstore for used copies, or look on student forums and online marketplaces. The same goes for furniture, clothes, and even electronics. You can find incredible high-quality items for a fraction of the original price. It's not just smart for your wallet, it's also great for the environment. Win-win. Alright, tip number 3 is all about food. Eating out multiple times a week is one of the fastest ways to empty your bank account. The solution? Learn to love your kitchen. Meal prepping is a game changer. Spend a few hours on Sunday planning and cooking your lunches and dinners for the week. It's healthier, cheaper, and saves you so much time during busy study days. Plus, brewing your own coffee at home instead of buying it daily can literally save you hundreds of dollars a year. Coming in at number 4, rethink your subscriptions. In 2025, we're all subscribed to something, right? Streaming services, music apps, software. Take a minute to audit everything you're paying for monthly. Are you really using all of them? Many services offer student plans at a much lower cost. You can also share family plans with roommates or friends to split the bill. Be ruthless. If you haven't used a service in a month, it's probably time to cancel it. Number 5 is a big one. Choose your housing wisely. If you have the option, living in a dorm or a shared apartment with roommates is almost always cheaper than renting a place by yourself. Utilities like internet, electricity, and water are also split, which cuts down your individual costs significantly. I know privacy is nice, but the financial benefits of sharing your space during your student years are just too good to ignore. Let's move on to number 6. Use campus resources to the max. Your university isn't just for classes. Most campuses have a free gym, which means you can cancel that expensive gym membership. They also have libraries with free access to books, computers, and Wi-Fi. Many universities even host free events like movie nights, concerts, and workshops. These are fantastic ways to have fun and socialize without spending a dime. Tip number 7 is to get smart about transportation. If you live on or near campus, your feet are your best friends. Walking or biking is free and a great way to stay active. For longer distances, public transport is your go-to. Most cities offer discounted student passes for buses and trains. Owning a car as a student can be a massive financial burden when you factor in insurance, gas, parking, and maintenance. Ditch the car if you can. Number 8. Embrace the DIY and repair culture. Got a small tear in your favorite shirt? Don't throw it out. Learn a simple sewing stitch. Your bike has a flat tire? Look up a tutorial and fix it yourself. Developing some basic repair skills not only saves you money on replacement costs and professional services, but it's also incredibly empowering. It feels great to be self-sufficient and know you can fix things on your own. Our 9th tip is to create a realistic budget and actually stick to it. This sounds boring, but it's the foundation of financial success. Use a simple app or even just a spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money is going each month. When you see that you spent $100 on late-night snacks, it becomes much easier to cut back. A budget doesn't restrict you. It gives you control over your money. And finally, our 10th and final tip, find a flexible side hustle. We are talking about something that fits around your study schedule. This could be anything from tutoring younger students, freelance writing, managing social media for a small business, or even pet sitting. Earning a little extra cash can provide a fantastic buffer for unexpected expenses and give you some guilt-free spending money. It also looks great on your resume. So there you have it. 10 smart ways to save money as a student in 2025. Being a student is about learning, growing, and having incredible experiences, and you can do all of that without breaking the bank. It's all about making conscious choices and building smart habits that will benefit you long after you graduate. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. I'd love to hear your own money-saving tips in the comments below. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.